Yes, Etsy family, hope you guys are well. Guys, I'm looking at the Mother's Day niche right now, looking at some fantastic ideas that you could actually do, but you got to be real quick, guys, because it's coming round the corner, mate. Round that corner, and before you know it, it's Mother's Day. So be real quick. Let's check it out, mate. Real quick. So check this out. Look, I just typed in Mother's Day, and I'm just looking at some of these ideas. Look, bestseller, boom, Mother's Day, personalized. Now, look, few tips. It's all about the personalization now. It's all about personalized stuff. And remember, Etsy's got that gift mode. It's all about gifts. They're focused on gifts. So you got to just add those gift words in your listing, man. Get the algorithm to favor you, to want you. So check it out. Look at this. Bestseller, boom. Look, this is a bestseller. Mother's Day personalized watercolor. Listen, get those images, put it up, change it into a nice watercolor style. They do very well, guys. They do very well. Look at this. Simple, 10 cards, bestseller, boom. Mother's Day personalized watercolor print from photo. Easy. Gift for mom, mother, blah, blah. All of that. Yeah? It's all about these kind of personalized gifts now. Look, here's more. Let's just go down. Yeah, here's another one. Look, mum full mug wrap. Just some ideas, guys. Look, a mug wrap with mum, you're my best friend, I love you, all of that. This is actually quite cool as well. 20 plus in a basket, boom. Nice idea. Remember, like I said, you know, Mother's Day has to be, there's so many different ideas you could do for it, but do focus on the personalization. Look at that. It could be like a SVG. You got this, mum, we love you, mate, to pieces. Personalize it yourself. Actually, this one you can personalize it yourself with, I guess, the names of the family in there. So you're looking at some kind of family ideas, possibly, you know, mother and child, things like that. Here's another one, another mug wrap sort of idea. Best mum ever, boom. Yeah, in demand, lovely. That's another sort of design mug wrap you could do. Look, really cool. Okay, really nice. So look, it's a gift for mum, so obviously it's going to have that sort of, you know, love you, thank you, all of that kind of flavor. Look, mummy, daddy, Alex, the wooden bear family, that's quite nice. Some nice little cute images, some clip arts there. Let's have a look. There's a lot of cards, by the way, as usual, as you'd expect, like all these handmade, personalized kind of cards. Happy Mother's Day, obviously. Mummy, I love you. Some poetry, some more bestsellers. Here's a little mug on the side, a bestseller, personalized mum. Best tea mug there. Best tea mug. Best tea. Okay, I get it. Yeah, these like personalized welly prints and then back to you kind of prints. Look, the Smith family. So like you can have a little wall art personalized print. Again, that's quite cool. People do love that. Look at that, 20 plus views in the last 24 hours. Yeah, that's nice. I tell you what's big though. I tell you what's big, and that's quite a big one. That's doing quite well. This kind of, I'm sure you've seen it before. This birth month flower idea, where you got the names of the family on the kind of, you know, on the wall art, on the printable, you know, for each month that they're born in for the family. Yeah, and this is quite a nice gift actually. This could be quite a nice gift for mum. Yeah, definitely something like this. I like this. Things like that is quite cool. Yeah. So the birth month flower is actually a very good niche anyway. The bestseller, boom, it's in demand. So it's a personalized flower birth month, Mother's Day gift. Now anything really, I believe, with gift at the minute, it's gonna do all right. But obviously Mother's Day is coming up. So if you enter the word in the title, Mother's Day, mom, gift, these kind of words. Now, there's loads of ideas, man. These cards, these portraits, these... Oh, I like this one. Back to you. Remember, I saw that. I still find it disrespectful. Turn your back to me. How dare you? Etsy's pick, boom. See, these back to yous are really, as in, like, very popular. Not just like mum. This one looks like mum and daughter. Mother and daughter, best friends, besties. Boom. In demand. That's quite a nice idea. And it's customizable too, man. I showed you a video on this customizable hair, jacket, clothing, everything, man. Look, even got another member of the family. So listen, let's get into the cash. Which ones actually make money in Mother's Day gifts though? Which ones make money? So let's go to product analytics. My go-to research tool, EVERBEE, the one I call EVERBEE. Just there. Anyways, let's have a look. So I'm going to go to all listing. I want to see which one's actually making the cash already, man. I'm going to go to new listing. Ah, this one. Okay. Yes, I thought so. So this is a 4-month. Oh my God, that's crazy. 4-month-old listing making $100,000 per month. No way. Let me check this out, guys. This is crazy. This birth month flower, man. Oh my God, it's killing it. It's crazy. Look at this. So this is grandma's garden. It's got Christmas gift, flower bouquet, mum birthday gift, custom mothers. So yeah, like I've just mentioned, you know, you put the month of the each month you got a flower. So if you're born in April, it's a daisy. So you put a bouquet for your family, for all the members of the family in a bouquet style. And then you put their names at the bottom, right? You write their names at the bottom. That's quite an easy thing to do, guys. It's a personalized one. Remember, personalization is big right now, huge right now. You got to get into it. Find the angle, man, if you don't have it. Look, 20 plus views, $53. $53, man. Look, and you just add the personalization. This is making over 100K a month, guys. It's an absolute beast. People love this bouquet style. So this one is massive. And then you're adding in Mother's Day, and then you're adding in the gift. So it's doing amazingly well. I had to see that one. Sorry, guys. 100K, and it's only a 4-month-old listing. That's actually crazy. So let me go down. And the reason why I'm going to go down, I'm going to go to recent listings and something that you could actually do. I'm not looking at any necklaces or anything like that. I want to look at actual gifts for mum. Again, you got the birth month flower. It's crazy. Look, you got another birth month flower. This one's making. Okay, here's another idea. Again, it's this. This is a Mother's Day gift, which is a mug idea. It's making $12,438 approximately. Again, look at it. Sorry about your other children. At least you have me. So again, there's that personalization bit, which is the name there. Again, like I said, this kind of personalization is huge, even for Mother's Day, right? So you got to get on the personalization. It's a bestseller, boom. 20 plus in a basket, boom. So anything that has a sort of mug. Mugs are a good thing to do as well for Mother's Day gifts. A really cool one, but obviously have a sort of angle on it. Again, this one is another cool one, another mom gift. Again, we spoke about this one. This is the back to you thing with the whole family members. So the great thing about this is, you know, you can actually provide them with the customized, all the parts to it, from the hair, the clothing, and all of that, so that they can actually create their own. They would actually create their own personalization, if you like, for their family members. Look at that. Yeah, like that. So I think the gifts for mum seem to be centered around family, basically. Family things are really cool. We looked at the mug idea. We looked at the birth month flower idea with the other family members. I think they seem to work really well. And this is a kind of like a sort of wall art, if you like, idea. And again, these can be digital or they can be physical if you're going to do it through like something like Printify. Here's another idea. Here's another cool idea. Personalized family gift. This is a pillow cover. Again, it's got the names of the family members there. Personalized family. Again, making some decent cash. In demand. This Etsy's pick is doing good. You know, $9,000. So I think that is really the takeaway. Is that family-related, personalized items are the winners for Mother's Day, right? They seem to be. Another gift idea, this one's making over. Another gift idea is something like this, which is a bestseller, boom, handmade gift for mom. Now, I did a video actually on this, how to create a home style. So take a picture of the home and create a watercolor style of the home, right? That sounds like a fantastic gift for mom as well. A watercolor style image or wall art or picture of the home. Really, really cool. I've done a video on it, so do check it out. So that is another sort of gift idea. But this one's making over $9,000 per month, this listing, right? So anything that is family related, home related, personalized slightly. It's got this personalized has got this fantastic sort of demand on Etsy. Huge demand, right? I want to show you another idea now as well. Look, you got these personalized candles. Check out my video on candles. These are also fantastic Mother's Day gifts. This is making over $9,000 too. You know, these are some of these are like these mom's last nerve. You know, these are kind of trending sort of style, bestseller, boom. And again, these can be personalized as well, which is quite cool. So, you know, this is another sort of gift idea. But again, and this could be something you could sell through print on demand, through Printify, you know, cool idea as well. So it's definitely a case of family related, family gifts, wall arts, portraits, watercolor style of the home, the family, personalization. These are all the keywords. These are the takeaway keywords that you have to get from this. Those are the ones that are really making that fantastic cash on Etsy. So do bear that in mind. Think about personalization, think about family, how you can angle any of your listings in that respect. Think about a custom angle. Think about what you're going to do if you're a print on demand store, looking at the candles, looking at the mugs, or if you're just digital products where you can do mug wraps instead. Looking at the birth month flower kind of idea, that's fantastic and is absolutely massive. The back to you thing that I keep talking about there, backs to you like this one, man. Yeah, loads of ideas, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.